Now we will move to a very important topic, that is nothing but a class object, or we call it the object oriented program. Okay, object oriented programs, or we call it as a OOPS. Okay, this actually object oriented programming is nothing but a, like, we write one class, we say, means one code or set of code we write, like in a one particular block. Okay, in that multiple functions we can incorporate. Previously we learned the functions individually, right? Similarly we can incorporate a multiple functions in a one class, that is called as a class, we say. Okay, for example, how to define a class? The first thing is about a start with a class. Any object to be defined means define how you use def for a function. Similarly, to define any object we use a class. Once it is defined, we started define, we need to give the name to that particular class. The name to that particular class, for example, I would like to create one class for cars. Okay, for a given car, I just want to know the model or the showroom price, the like on road price, insurance, how much it will be. Like this, I would like to create one class. Then I will use the class. I say just car. Okay, any name you can give. Then end with a colon. If you are not ending with a colon, you will get an error. So end with a colon. Then your class will be created. Once your class is created, just if you say pass, just one empty class is created now. Just by saying a pass, we created one empty class. If I say Swift is equal to car, okay, if I check that, it is, there is no dog string and there is nothing, it is a completely empty, it doesn't do anything, right? For example, instead of that, if I say here one dog string, I will give, instead of just passing, I just give this object use uh, used to find on road price of car. Now, if I go and check in a Swift, yes, doc string is added, right? Still, it if you execute it, nothing will happen, because if I say Swift, okay, dot, nothing is there. Sorry, Swift dot, nothing is there because there is no functions have been called. In case I just want to say that, like, within this one, I just want to initiate with some functions. Okay, so how can we initiate with a function? Like, just I would like to print, okay, um, hi, welcome to Finaculo. Okay, like this, if I say, just it will print that particular statement by using that particular thing, right? So this will be the simple one, but my intention was not to create this type of thing. I just want to create one block of code where I can take some input. Okay, first I need to give some input to the this particular object. So how to give the input? I need to create one function, define function, and we have the initializer. Okay, there's a constructor, we say we have an initializer here, that is nothing but in it double underscore. This double underscore, start with a double underscore, end with a double underscore. Start with a double underscore, this is called as a dunder. Okay, we call it as a dunder. Okay, dunder means underscore, we have double time, two times we have taken. Okay, and make sure that if you are not giving a space in between define and that underscore, you will not be able to get. And after this also, is better to give one space. Okay, then in a bracket I say self. Self is nothing but it is a common name given to any object. Like here Swift I have written, Swift equal to car, it become a Swift will be the self. For example, if I say alto equal to car. Okay, the alto will become a cell. Okay, the name which you are giving for this variable which you are giving, variable name for given class will be cell. Then within that I just want to give the model of the car and showroom underscore price I say. Okay, showroom price I would like to give. These are the two things I need to give. Just if you execute again, you will get an error because define also end with a function also end with a colon, right? So once you have been taken that, I just need to assign that the model and the showroom price you given to that self. Self is nothing but a swift in the sense swift. Alto means alto for that, right? So I say self dot model is equal to given model and self dot showroom price is equal to showroom price. Okay, I'm just assigning those values which we have taken here, right? If I execute now, shift enter for execution. Now for example car, when I call it, it says that you need to give the model name and showroom price. So I say the model name as a swift, maybe desire. Okay, comma my desire, it may be spelling may be wrong, don't worry on that. Okay, then it may be pricing around 6 lakh 50 for a base model, or right 6 lakh 50,000 I say swift, like vxi some model will come na? Like this I will give. Okay, now if someone call that Swift, like I just want to check the which model it is. Dot model if I write, it give the model name. Now self dot showroom price. Similarly, Swift dot showroom price if I write, the price which we given, it will show. But this is not my requirement. Like I just given a whatever the information is there. Again, I have been written that in a assigned to that particular variable, right? Now after this I just want to calculate the insurance and the registration cost. Okay, RTO cost, how much it will come. So for that again I will define one more function called as a on road. Okay, on road underscore price I will give, on road underscore price, and it has to be calculated for a given car, so self, right? Here we need to write a self because it will be assigned to that particular car. Now in on-road price, how much it has to be on-road price? Like I just want to say sell dot. First we need to calculate the insurance. Insurance is equal to insurance calculation. What I will do on the showroom price, we will take a 4% as a insurance. So self dot showroom price multiply by 0.04, that is a 4%. Similarly, self dot RTO is equal to self dot showroom price multiplied by 10%. I will take it as a RTO cost. Okay, these to be calculated insurance and RTO by using a showroom price. Now I can calculate a self dot on road. Okay, self dot on road price, that is nothing but self dot showroom price plus self dot insurance plus self dot RTO, right? All three we need to add together, we'll get. But now just we are writing like this. If I go to say that self dot on road price, I just call that function. If I call this function, it doesn't show any answer because I haven't printed or I haven't written any answer, right? What I will do for that, I will print. Okay, I use a multi line printer. Okay, I say first line, um, how we can make a form a sentence, like we just give like this, like model Okay, double dash, one arrow mark. Okay, there I need to give the name of the model. Then in next line, after model, what we need, maybe the second line, I say showroom price. Showroom price, again double dash, one arrow, I'll give one, this one. Again in third line, I need a RTO, like insurance. Just I give arrow and I give one flower bracket. This flower bracket we need to fill up with all the values later. Then RTO, okay. Then arrow mark will fill up with the RTO. Then on road price, like this. Then I need to format it, dot format. Okay, what are the things to be entered in a format? The one thing is to be entered in a format is a first thing here, model, that is nothing but self dot model, comma, the second thing, showroom price. So self dot showroom price, sorry, comma, then I will enter to take it to the next slide. Then self dot after showroom insurance, comma, then RTO we need self dot RTO, comma, self dot, the last one, self dot on road price, right? On road we have to take, right? These things I need to print it. Now you can see, if I say Swift, I will execute. This is the price of the Swift model. Now if I go for printing a on road price, it print that all, like model, showroom price, insurance, okay, RTO price, okay, on road price, everything will be printed, right? So this is the way we can do this one. Like we can have one a thing, right? How much it will be on road price. Okay, this is the one type. Like similarly, for example, if I do it for a alto, like I may be having a model in alto, like K10 is a one model I have, and the base price is a 3,10,000 rupees. That's the ex showroom price, right? So now if I just go here, alto dot, if I call this function on road price, automatically it will execute and it will show it for the alto. It's done it for alto, like this means for anything we can use this particular block of code. Okay, this block of code I can use it anywhere in my thing for any car. Okay, I just need to give two information, one is a model and second one is a showroom price, right? In case sometimes I just want to calculate a discount also for given percentage, I would like to calculate a discount also. Then what I will do, I will create one more of this one. I will define one more function that is called as a discounted underscore price. Okay, and here sell, comma, and discount also we will mention here. Okay, discount also we will mention. Now self dot discount is equal to discount, right? That is the assigning this, whatever the discount you have given, I am assigning to that. Then once I have been assigned discount, how to calculate a discount amount? So I say self dot discount underscore amount is equal to self dot on showroom price multiply by that self dot that discount which is given for that particular car, right? If I multiply them together, I will get a discounted amount. So once I get the discounted amount, now I can like I can print that how much will be discounted price of this particular car. So I say So before that, we will calculate a post discount. How much will be the car, right? Car price self dot discounted discount like self dot just I say price. Okay, just I say price of the car after discount is a nothing but self dot the previous on road price is we have in that. If I deduct a discount amount, we'll get a final price. So on road, okay, this output self dot on road price I will take minus self dot discounted amount, right? If I subtract this discounted amount from the on road price, we will get the discounted price. Then we will return. I just want to write it down, that one I don't want to print that one. I just want to store that what would be the final price. Okay, executed. Now for example, swift car only I will take, and I just want to check. Okay, I just say here swift dot, okay, swift car dot discounted price. Okay, that particular function I am calling discounted price, and it asks for the discount. You can see shift tab, it asks for the discount to be paid. I will paid the discount as a 0.05. Showroom maybe said that 5% discount we will give. Now, if I execute, we are getting a error. Can you think that what kind of error we are getting? It says that attribute error. Okay, discounted price I have given fine, but when it calculate first line, it is calculating properly. Okay, second line also it calculate properly, but when it comes to third line, it has a problem. It is highlighted na third line. It has a problem. That is nothing but car object has a no attribute called as a on road. On road is there already, right? On road is already there here, but it is not there in a this particular function. So what we will do, we call that function first. That is nothing but on road price, right? On road price we will call it first. Okay, we will execute that one. Once we call this one first, we will execute a on road price. This one we will execute. Once we executed this one, then we will do it for the calculation for the rest. Now you can check. I will execute this script again. Okay. Now we'll go to here. See, the previous answer also it shows. Then the after discount how much is the price. After discount how much is the price. Even instead of returning, you would like to show that one, you can say print the discounted amount and this one will be this much. You can show that one also. Okay, this is how the one particular class object works. Okay, anything we can just check, like swift dot I just wanted to check the discounted amount. I say discounted amount. This is this much. Okay, like I just want to check the Swift dot. I just want to check the RTO. You can check RTO amount. Okay, individually also we can call all this. Wherever we have a self dot, we have been initialized. Now all this we can call one by one also. Okay, this is the one example I have given. Now we can discuss about others example in a coming classes also. You can try with the other car model also by giving Alto car. Okay, I executed. Now I just want to find the Alto car discount, like Alto dot discounted price for 0.35. No, sorry, 35%. No, 3.5% discount they have given. Then what would be the price? 3,10,000 rupees is a showroom price. Then 12,000 we have to insurance. 31,000 we need to pay RTO. Then after post discount we need to pay around 3,42,000. On road will be 3,53,000. In that discount we will take out. Okay, like this we can use it for many time. Okay, that is the one main advantage of the object. Like in object what we have, not only the input, we have one function to calculate one thing, another function to calculate another thing. Like this we can have n number of functions. Okay, within a one set of code we can have a n number of functions, and it can be reused by just saying that we call that class or object, we are feeding the information and storing in a some variable, right? This is how the class works. Go through once again thoroughly and try to work it on, and this will be a advanced concept comes under a uh, python or any programming language. Oops will be a important.